Good afternoon, Steve. This is Jamil Gladden. I want to show you how to save parts out of a step file. First thing I did, I opened up the step file and I'm going to say save as, and we're going to move it to my desktop. We're going to save it as a part, and I'm going to have to pause it as it saves as a part, okay? So I'm going to click save. Alright, now that it has still saving, so I'll come back once it's complete, saved on my desktop, okay? Alright, now that I have it saved as a part, let's just say I want to save this control panel as a separate part from the step file. What I do is I'll select all of the parts. My first selection, I didn't hold down any buttons, but as I select around the box, I'm going to hold down the control key and left click with my mouse, clicking everything that I think should be included inside of the control panel. I'm just going around selecting parts I think should be inside of the file. I'm not super familiar with how he saved the file before, so I'm just gonna select away as much as I can, Steve. You may hear my wife and kids in the background. I apologize for that. I don't have an insulated basement or something, so. Alright, now that I selected all of that, what I do next is I took my hand off the keyboard, right click, say isolate. And it may take a second or two, so I'll pause it because I only got 5 minutes with the software I'm using, okay? Alright, well, never mind. So, alright, that is all of the parts I want to include in the control panel. So what I do is now go to the tree. This is called the design tree. I'm gonna go to the cut list because I know it's there along somewhere. And you see all of these are usually highlighted in yellow. Those are be the ones that are you can see inside of the drawing panel, in which they're hidden because you have the parts that has to do with the control panel highlighted. So I'm gonna see, can I find those parts? And I'm just strolling through. I'm holding the mouse down, going down on the arrow. And as you can see, there's a lot of parts into this one file. So let's hope it comes pretty soon. Okay, so I'm seeing all the parts that are associated with this control panel. So I'm gonna select, hold down control, keep, tapping on all the parts that are associated with this control panel. Keep going down. All the ones are highlighted in yellow. All right. Now that I got to the end of the tree, what I want to do now, right click inside of the design tree, and I want to do a insert into new part. So what it's gonna do is take all the parts I highlighted and it's gonna create a part for those. So I go down here, and what you have to do, you have to hit this file locator so you can name the file and put it wherever you want to put it. So I'm gonna name it as control panel. Control panel, and I'm gonna do a save. Alright, once I click that save, I'm gonna hit the green check here. And it should open up as its own part. And sometimes what I do is I go ahead and hit save again to make sure. And now that's made as a part now. So you can use that on anything else you want to use it on.